Hey everybody, Travis Wiley here. Today, where am I? Well, as you can see, I'm coming out of a parking garage and I am back in downtown Little Rock at the Little Rock River Market, and I am going to do an update on this road construction that's going on Interstate 40 behind me here. So let's go see how it's coming since my last video. Try this again. So what you're looking at here is where there used to be a freeway. You look right there, this is where Markham used to connect up to Interstate 30. And they've torn all of that out. All the way through here, down through here. Let's go over and see what I can get into. This area here, this was a parking lot. All of this area from there all the way back to the street there. This was a parking lot underneath the freeway. Unfortunately, there's a lot of wind today. Not sure how this audio is going to sound, but I'm kind of down here in the middle of it, getting ready to walk onto the freeway here. I really hope I don't get caught down here, but I keep looking, but I don't see any no trespassing signs. Going to look around and take some pictures. So this is where I was in my previous video. They were just getting started, and I took a video next to one of those big beams. As you can see now, they've got the beams up on this side. This side over here, you can see there, there's still got quite a ways to go with it looks like. Just drove by a while ago, so hopefully I can get up here and get a few shots and get down before anybody notices I'm up here. Oh my gosh, this one's a lot higher than the last one I went up. On the newly paved concrete. So I really don't understand how it's going to work, but see there, you got the concrete poured, and they're pouring here, but this section drops down there, and it gets down to street level where it meets the cars coming in from down there. And this here stays on. Looks like it's going to, gosh, I don't know where it's going to go, because it's right here, and you can see the Interstate 30 behind it there. I see some guy in a hard hat down there. The gate was unlocked, so I'm thinking there might be somebody up here. Just need to be careful and kill myself. Interstate 30 is as busy as ever. Here I am at the end of it. Trying to see what I'm talking about. Maybe it shows up in the video. You can see how that slopes down. Alright, kind of set down here. Water down. It's sitting up here. Somebody's looking. It's just so cool being up here. I remember my last video when I came up here. I was up and down so quick, and I regretted that I didn't stay up here. I'm going to walk on down now to where I went before I started the last video. So let me hit that right direction and get out of here before I get caught. So here's the mini tow walk 999. I say that like I know what it means, but all I know is it's a big old brain. It's locked up, it looks like. But I don't think I'd have the nerve to climb it anyway, but you can see that one right there. It's going up. No thank you. And I forgot, I've got to go across the river. So I'm gonna my access is gone. This is where the stairwell was last time. So they got it all finished up to there. It's the city of North Little Rock. We do have one right there. Yeah, guess I better not. Well, I am back at the parking deck. I think it's just a coincidence that the gate was unlocked and open. So, but again, there were no trespassing signs. There weren't any no trespassing signs. So I put up there and got some great video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below and hit the like button. Thanks.